Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Ninjas. I'm Daily, and today we're diving into the biggest updates for World Liberty Financial or WorldFi in October. This Trump family backed DeFi platform focused on tokenized real estate, stablecoins, and decentralized lending has been a roller coaster this month. The WorldFi token trading around $0.1475 with a $3.8 billion market cap has seen wild swings driven by political catalysts, institutional moves, and community pushback. Let's break down the key events shaping WorldFi and its token price in chronological order to understand what's driving this project. Stick around because I'll also give my price prediction for WorldFi at the end of 2025. Make sure to like and subscribe to Crypto Ninjas before we begin. For those new to WorldFi, it's a DeFi platform aiming to disrupt finance with its $1 stablecoin, real world asset tokenization, and bank free lending, targeting global accessibility led by the Trump family. In October 2025, the World FOI token, with 27 billion circulating out of a 100 billion total supply, hit $0.15 by October 26th, quite a dip from its ATH of 41 cents. So, what's behind these price moves? Let's walk through the major developments that defined this month. On October 1st, WorldFi's CEO, Zach Witkoff, spoke at Token 2049 in Singapore, announcing a Visa and MasterCard linked debit card for crypto spending, with Apple Pay integration plan for the fourth quarter of 2025. This is a major step toward mainstream adoption, connecting WorldFi's DeFi ecosystem built on USD1 stablecoin and lending protocols to everyday transactions like buying coffee or groceries. The news sparked excitement across platforms like X, where users speculated about mass adoption. The token price went up around 8% after this news, reflecting short term optimism. This announcement set a positive tone, but as we all know, execution is key. So we'll see how WorldFi delivers on this promise. On October 4th, WorldFi made a strategic move by selling 100 million locked WorldFi tokens to Bitcoin miner Hut8 at 25 cents each, a 25% premium over the market price of $0.2. This $25 million deal signaled strong institutional confidence, positioning WorldFi as a valuable treasury asset for crypto native firms. The market, however, reacted negatively, with WorldFi dropping 10% to 18 cents as investors worried about potential dilution from future token unlocks, given the 100 billion total supply. Despite the price dip, the deal kept WorldFi's market cap near $4 billion and highlighted growing institutional interest, a bullish sign for long term holders. I just don't understand why Hut8 didn't buy WorldFi on open market, and it's not even locked. By October 10th, volatility hit hard. The entire crypto market was dumping massively. Bitcoin went down 20%, the biggest liquidation event in crypto history. For WorldFi, a massive $82 million sell off, driven by large whale wallets, pushed WorldFi down to even as low as 7 cents on Binance, a minus 60% sell off. Analysts viewed this as part of broader crypto market consolidation, but the sell off shook retail confidence, reminding investors of the risks tied to whale driven price action. On October 15th, Eric Trump gave an exclusive Coindesk interview detailing WorldFi's plans to tokenize a Trump family linked building using the USD1 stablecoin, which is backed by US Treasuries. This real world asset initiative allows retail investors to own fractions of high value real estate with added perks, bypassing traditional banks. USD1 has already processed $19.4 billion in payments in 2025 across Solana, Aptos, and Tron, showing strong adoption. The announcement stabilized WorldFi around $0.15, with some analysts predicting a breakout to $0.2 if WorldFi delivers. Things took a turn for the worse by October 23rd. Prominent investor Quentin Francois took to X, publicly criticizing WorldFi for 2 months of silence since its token launch. With no roadmap updates, no decentralized app release, and no clarity on token vesting schedules, the community felt neglected. This backlash triggered a brutal 13% price drop over 2 days, with WorldFi hitting a low of $0.134 on October 25th. Trading volume surged, ranging from $117 million to $387 million daily, but enthusiasm faded. With 27 billion tokens circulating and a 100 billion total supply, fears of dilution grew. The price held support at $0.13, but this episode highlighted WorldFi's communication struggles and their impact on investor trust. On October 24th, a major catalyst shifted the narrative. President Trump announced a pardon for Binance's Changpeng Zhao, or CZ, framing it as ending political persecution. This sparked speculation of deeper WorldFi Binance ties, such as potential $1 stablecoin listings. WorldFi surged 10% in 24 hours, climbing from $0.13 to $0.15, with trading volume spiking to $374 million. The market cap briefly hit $3.44 billion, and traders set their sights on 0.15 to 0.17 resistance levels. While some dismissed it as a political pump, the rally showed how closely WorldFi's fortunes are tied to Trump's actions. Ongoing token burns, like the 7.89 million WorldFi removed from transaction fees, helped support price stability by reducing circulating supply. The debit card and real estate tokenization plans remain potential catalysts, but World Ethereum must improve communication and deliver on milestones to sustain momentum. Personally, my price projection for WorldFi is still bullish for 2025's end. WorldFi should approach the 0.18 to 0.20 range by November if 0.15 holds, but a drop below 30 cents could spell trouble, where we could even head to the 12-cent support range and potentially drop lower to below 10 cents. But if WorldFi ever drops below 10 cents, I'm going to ape a bag. That's the October 2025 recap for WorldFi. From debit card hype to institutional deals, whale sell-offs, real estate ambitions, community backlash, and a CZ pardon rally, this project is a high-stakes blend of vision and volatility. What's your take? Are you bullish on WorldFi or waiting for stronger execution? Share your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe to CryptoNinjas for more crypto content. Thank you very much for watching. Daily out.